Hi everybody, Dr. Bam here. This is going to be the Knowledge Foundation video for Unit 3 in Child Growth and Development. That is the physical, cognitive, and social emotional development in infancy and toddlerhood. Now, our book talks on how we see a lot of jumps. So, and some theorists speculate that the biggest cognitive, physical, and social emotional gain occurs between birth and 2. Basically, this is going to set the stage for how and where and when we interact with everything physically, cognitively, and social emotionally. And so it's a primary stage that we really need to focus on. So this is probably going to be one of your heftiest concept development stages, just because there is so much going on in infancy, and there's a lot of introduction to concepts and terminology that you'll need to know and recognize for moving forward into the later stages of development that we'll look at. And so this will be our second stage of development. Remember, newborn and prenatal newborn were the first. Um, and then this one is going to look at just infancy through toddlerhood, which is through age of 2 for our textbook, before we get into the preschool age. So this is a 3-week unit. So the due dates go until March 8th of 2021, right? Kind of buttoning us right up before spring break. Spring break, the next unit will go over spring break. So your options are to make it a 2-week unit or have it as a 3-week unit. That's up to you. You have the time the way you want. But as you probably are learning, you don't want to delay too long for these concepts, because if you're trying to get through all of them right at the end, it's probably not going to work out. So there are, in this unit, as you can see, 37 different concepts or ideas that you need to demonstrate mastery in. So when you think about sorry, I hit a button there, and I'm hoping that this is still recording, so I'll check that out. But when you think about 3 weeks, this is about 12 to 13 concepts a week that you should be working on. Remembering that this is replacement for class time, so that would be like 3 hours of class is what you're expected per week. And so 12 concepts in 3 hours is about 4 concepts an hour that you should be demonstrating knowledge in. So I am going to leave you with this. I am trying to catch up in grading so that you will be able to go back, and for ones that you did not receive mastery, remember you can always resubmit up to 2 times to solidify mastery. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.